Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar PGD40ISCO Ultra Light Quiet 4000W Portable Gas Inverter Generator is a remarkable addition to the world of portable power solutions. Designed with a sleek white exterior, this generator is not only visually appealing but also highly functional, making it a great choice for campers, tailgaters, and emergency power backup. One of the standout features of this inverter generator is its 4000-watt output, which provides ample power for various applications. Whether you're powering kitchen appliances during a blackout or using it at a campsite to run a fridge and lights, the Pulsar delivers consistent and reliable energy. Its inverter technology ensures clean, stable power, which is essential for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. In terms of noise level, the PGD40ISCO excels with its ultra-quiet operation. Operating at just 58 decibels, it's comparable to a normal conversation, allowing users to enjoy the great outdoors without the disruptive hum typical of many generators. This quiet functionality is especially appreciated in residential areas or campgrounds where noise restrictions may apply. Portability is another highlight. Weighing only around 90 pounds, this generator is relatively lightweight for its power capacity. It includes ergonomic handles and wheels, making transportation easy, even over uneven terrain. The compact design allows it to fit snugly in the trunk of a vehicle or the back of an RV. Moreover, the generator features a user-friendly control panel with multiple outlets, including USB ports, ensuring you can connect various devices simultaneously. The fuel efficiency is commendable as well, providing up to 12 hours of runtime on a half-load, which is perfect for extended outdoor adventures. Overall, the Pulsar PGD40ISCO Ultra Light Quiet 4000W Portable Gas Inverter Generator stands out as an excellent investment for anyone seeking reliable, quiet, and portable power. Its combination of power, portability, and quiet operation makes it a must-have for both recreational and emergency use.